अभी तक आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए तो सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और ये बेल आइकन के घंटे को बजा दीजिए।
Previous reports which suggested that there will be no Redmi Note 5. We now have the first look at the Redmi Note 5 smartphone, which is currently being tested internally by the China-based company. Yes guys, a report by my driver's website suggests that the Redmi Note 5 is being internally tested and the company will launch the phone in second quarter of 2018. Interestingly, it is said to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 632 processor, which has not been announced yet. The Redmi Note 5 will be the first phone to be powered by Snapdragon 632 processor. The Snapdragon 632 processor, which will be powering this upcoming smartphone, will reportedly be a toned-down version of the Snapdragon 636 processor from Qualcomm. Its clock speed will be reduced to around 1.8 GHz. However, Snapdragon 632 will come with better support and optimization for dual camera setup. So, you can also expect a dual rear camera setup on the Redmi Note 5. The Redmi Note 5 is expected to feature a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio. It will carry on the trend of full-screen display with minimal bezels surrounding the display. As of the memory option, the smartphone will have 4 GB RAM. While the internal storage of the device is not yet known, we are expecting it to be 64 GB, with support for expanding storage capacity through micro SD card. Coming to the camera, the phone will have a dual camera setup at the back, featuring two 12-megapixel sensors. As we all know, earlier it was said that the Redmi Note 4's successor will be the full-screen Redmi 5 Plus, but might this news is totally wrong. However, the Redmi Note 5 smartphone is expected to be priced around $245. While we know that the phone will debut in the second half of this year, there is no information about the exact launch timing.